Hello guys, welcome back to Sunset and I'm back with another video, and this is squad versus squad where we aren't following anyone nor we're gonna invite anyone, so that it becomes a kind of solo versus squad, and it's in shotgun round around potion key. I hope we win this match, and I ain't doing voiceover in this match, so you're gonna see the sudden reactions and whatever. So got a backpack, got an extended quick draw mag for AR, which I will use for desktop K obviously. And someone headed towards this way or in the front building. So I got an S12K. Gonna directly go and rush him. I saw him. Got knocked him. Got the kill. And my headphones are becoming too jumbled. Let me just okay. Now okay. Got a backpack or two, another small grenade, a Molotov cocktail, and now let's head upwards. Got a vest, and then the zone is far from us, around our teammates. Guess we need to go, but firstly I'm gonna search for people around this place, if I can find anyone. And people are over there, so we're gonna directly rush towards them. We are rusher. I guess in this house, right over here, I guess. I saw one guy, missed the shot. When I try to take him, I'm hearing some footsteps around me. Okay, so in this house, killed him with a grenade, and someone knocked over here. Whew, just saved. And this teammate hit it. Gonna try to kill him too. They're just noobs, man. Got more kills. 4 kills right now. The third teammate was with us. That's a good reason why we are still alive, I guess. But it was a pretty hasty situation, and 2 people headed over there. Someone is in there. Our teammate. Okay, so let's kill him before he kills us. So he's up. And we got all killed. So it's a pretty good match going on right now. And I hear someone else over here. And our teammate knocked him. And my game lagged a little bit. So let's loot this guy. Now let me heal up, guys. Afterwards we'll head into the zone. Did I saw someone over there? No, that was a glitch type something, I guess. But we have 5 kills right now. If our teammate didn't come, we would have got like 8 to 9 kills, I guess. And oh no, someone in this house. Gonna take that guy on. Obviously we'll take him on. Oh no, he's up. He's just waiting for it. And we got the kill. And then S6, it's not gonna pick that up, Now let's head right into the zone. 6 kills, 6 people alive. Good match going on right now. Guess people aren't that pair of houses, which is right in front of us. So more two alive. It's a duo versus squad right now. There's so I'm gonna check behind two. Yeah, saw one. Hey, first number, don't steal my kill. You kill stealer. Okay, at least got good loot. Now I'm gonna search for the last one. Might be a camper right now, or just roaming around, or even an AFK. You know, he might be. Never believe anything can happen. Gonna get up. Ah, I see him. Gonna throw a Molotov at him. Okay, so you got saved, but you are not yet safe from the legendary orange soda. Hello! Got him, and we have some kills in this game. So, I guess it was a pretty good game right now. So, let's do the emote party now. Yeah, 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 yeah. And, Rabbit Hunter again. Don't know what that means. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to share this. So till next video, bye bye.